Hello everyone, this is my question 3 for practice problem video 1. So this one gives you pentane reacts with oxygen to produce CO2 and H2O. It's asking how many grams of H2O is produced from 12.394 grams of pentane. So first we have to balance the equation. C5H12 is pentane plus O2 reacts to produce CO2 and H2O. So just balance that real quick. You have to count how many elements are on each side. So there's 5 carbons because of that subscript. There's 12 hydrogens, same thing. There's 2 oxygens. So this is the left side of the equation. And then on the right side of the equation, you have 1 carbon, you have 2 hydrogens, and 1, 2, 3 oxygens. So first what I did was I changed that coefficient to be 5, so that there would be 5 carbons. That changes the oxygen number to 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And then I changed the hydrogen coefficient to be 6. Not the hydrogen, the H2O coefficient to be 6. That makes that 12. That changes the oxygen number again to 10 plus 6 to 16. And then to make the left side balance, multiplied by 8. So the 8 times 2 is 16. And we will be using that for later. So then we take the given mass of the reactant and multiply that by the molar mass. So 12.394 grams of pentane. And since we want to convert from grams to moles, we put the grams in the bottom. And to find what to use, you multiply the subscripts times the atomic mass you find on the periodic table. And that is equal to 1 mole of pentane. So this comes out to be 72.14208 for this bottom mass. And that gives you moles of pentane. So after you find the moles of pentane, you can use the molar ratio from balancing the equation and get the moles of the product. So you'll multiply moles pentane. And since you want to get moles H2O, you put that one on top and put moles pentane on the bottom. This is the understood 1 coefficient. And then since we're looking for H2O, that's 6 moles H2O to 1 mole of pentane. So then this number times 6 essentially gave me 0.99804, and that is the moles of H2O. So once you find the moles of H2O, you can convert that back into grams, and to do that, you multiply that by the product's molar mass. So we have to find the molar mass of H2O. So 0.99804 moles of H2O multiplied by the 2 hydrogens plus the 1 oxygen. And that is over 1 mole H2O. The moles cross out. You're left with grams. And what I got was 17.980 grams of H2O. And since we started off with 5 sig figs, we can end with 5 sig figs.